Guys, in this video I will show you how to get models just like this one into your Unreal Engine projects coming from Sketchfab or Blender. Last video I showed you guys how to get free models from Sketchfab, how to get them in Blender, how to get them textured, and if you haven't seen that one, look in the description down below, there should be a link to that video and you can just follow right along with this one, because we are going to add this vehicle right into our Unreal Engine project. How do you do that? Very easily. First, I like to select the item. Then go to File, Export, FBX, because that's the easiest for our game project right here. So do that. And then I like to have these ones selected. Now this doesn't have an armature or animations, but if you do, select this one as well. Get the Mesh and Other. I like to have the selected object, so no camera or lights from Blender, we don't need these ones. Then you need to get these ones like this. Geometry, set it to face. Armature, I don't have one, but you don't need to add leaf bones. I don't have animation baked in, but if you have, you can just leave this as is. Right now I don't need this one, and give it a name. Give it a very good name. And you can just export FBX on your computer. So, go to your game engine right here. Right click in the folder you want your vehicle to be stored at. Import to game. Now get your FBX, open it up, hit the import button and let it wait a bit. And right now you can just drag it into your game and there it is, ready to be seen by the public. So this is pretty neat. Now some more tips on the texturing. In your map you have different textures that you can apply. Let's say for example it doesn't come with a texture and you have created one, you can just drag it in here. Then right click, create material, give it a name, open the material up, and then just make a texture sample, drag it in the base map. And you can also apply these other ones right in here. Hit apply, save. Then you select your mesh, drag it in the material slot, and then you should have it in your game as well. And this is how you can get materials from Sketchfab to Blender and finally in your project in Unreal Engine. So, pretty nice tip, I hope you guys enjoy this one.